So this is a network tester. You can also use it for telephone. It has those two connectors, the telephone and network, meaning the telephone cable with that small RJ type, and then a normal RJ45 for networks and Cat6 cables. You can use this device to test both of them, their connectivity. You can also check the cable if the cable is working. You can also connect it from the patch panel to the office cable, which will be connected to the computer, just to check whether there's this connectivity. You see like that. You see, you can remove one and then use one in the switch room and one in the office to do the test and check. So in this video, I was trying to check if the cable is okay, because we're going to run some network somewhere, but the cable is not okay. You see that it's giving you a return reading, meaning all the cables are connected in the RJ correctly, but just that the person during the time of pushing or terminating the RJ, he turned the RJ45. He turned the RJ45, so the patch didn't work, and then it gives you a return reading. But there was another cable. Look at this one. This is a perfect patch cable. This is a perfect one. You can see that all of them are reading from 1. It's supposed to read from 1 to 8. Some of these devices have a ground reader too, that after 8 it gives you a G. That is the ground, meaning when the RJ45 has a metal on it, it will read it as earth, ground. But this one doesn't. This is a plain one, transparent one. It doesn't have the silver on it. Look at the bad network cable. Look at it. You can see that all the color codes are right, but just that the person turned the RJ or the cable, that gives you the return reading. And this is not good for connectivity, because it might give you an identifier. It might not even work at all. It can also burn your port, because this cable sometimes they carry power with them, and